There's a revolution happening right under our noses. It's not in politics, not in business, but in technology, reshaping money, finance, and even the internet itself. And at the center of it all, Ethereum, a digital powerhouse that isn't just another cryptocurrency but the backbone of an entirely new financial system. Some say Ethereum will replace traditional banking. Others believe it's the foundation of a trillion-dollar economy in the making. But the real question is, where is it headed next? Will Ethereum dominate the financial world, or will something bigger take its place? And more importantly, what does this mean for you? This video will break down everything you need to know. Ethereum's latest updates, expert price predictions, and why some analysts believe it could skyrocket past $10,000. Stay with me, because what's coming next might just change the way you see money forever. Why is Ethereum such a game changer? Let's rewind to 2013. A young visionary, Vitalik Buterin, wasn't satisfied with Bitcoin's limitations. He imagined something bigger, an open-source, decentralized platform where anyone could build unstoppable applications. This wasn't just about digital currency. It was about creating an entirely new, trustless internet where financial transactions, agreements, and even governance could run on code instead of centralized intermediaries. Fast forward to today, and Ethereum is no longer an idea, it's an unstoppable force. It's not just another cryptocurrency, it's an entire ecosystem powering thousands of projects. Think decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, revolutionizing banking, NFTs reshaping digital ownership, and blockchain-based gaming bringing real-world economics into virtual worlds. Even industries like healthcare and supply chain management are adopting Ethereum-based solutions. Ethereum isn't just keeping up with innovation, it is the innovation. And as the network continues to evolve, the question isn't whether Ethereum will change the world, it's how far it will go. Ethereum isn't just evolving, it's rewriting the rulebook on what's possible in the world of blockchain. The past few years have been nothing short of revolutionary, and things are only heating up. Let's talk about one of the biggest turning points in Ethereum's history, the merge. This wasn't just an update, it was a complete transformation. Ethereum transitioned from proof of work to proof of stake, slashing its energy consumption by over 99% and setting the stage for a more sustainable, scalable future. But here's the kicker, Ethereum isn't stopping there. Up next is Sharding, a game-changing upgrade that will supercharge Ethereum's speed and drastically reduce transaction fees. Imagine a blockchain that can handle thousands of transactions per second without breaking a sweat. That's where Ethereum is headed. And let's not forget Layer 2 solutions, the secret weapons making Ethereum even more powerful. Platforms like Arbitrum and Optimism are taking transactions off the main Ethereum chain, making them faster, cheaper, and more efficient. This means lower fees, quicker confirmations, and an Ethereum ecosystem that's easier than ever for users and developers alike. Ethereum isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's leading the charge. And if these innovations are anything to go by, the best is yet to come. Ethereum's price, one of the most debated topics in the crypto space. Will it surge to new all-time highs? Or are we in for another roller coaster ride? One thing's for sure, Ethereum isn't just another digital asset, it's the backbone of an evolving financial ecosystem. But where does it go from here? Let's break it down. Right now, Ethereum is hovering around $2,171.49 as of March 2025. But the market is at a crossroads. Analysts believe that if Ethereum can break through its current resistance levels, we could see a strong rally toward $3,200. That's a solid gain, but the flip side? If Ethereum struggles to maintain support, we could see a dip toward $1,500, a painful drop for short-term investors. So what's fueling this uncertainty? Regulatory shifts, investor sentiment, and macroeconomic trends are all playing a role, but there's a bigger picture to consider. Here's where things get really interesting. Long-term price predictions for Ethereum vary wildly, but some estimates point to massive potential gains. Binance's model projects a more conservative target of around $2,833.44 by 2030, a steady climb, but nothing earth-shattering. VanEck, on the other hand, is far more bullish, estimating that Ethereum could skyrocket to $11,800 by 2030. This forecast is based on Ethereum's growing adoption, institutional interest, and its role as the primary infrastructure for DeFi and Web3. But let's not ignore reality. Ethereum's future isn't just about price predictions, it's about real-world adoption. Several key factors will determine where Ethereum goes from here. Institutional investment. More banks, hedge funds, and even governments are integrating Ethereum into their financial models. This is a game changer. DeFi and NFTs. Ethereum powers the vast majority of decentralized finance platforms and NFT marketplaces. The more people use Ethereum, the more valuable it becomes. Scarcity and staking. With Ethereum's proof-of-stake model, fewer ETH are entering circulation. Less supply plus more demand equals higher prices. But let's not forget the risks. Regulatory crackdowns, security vulnerabilities, and emerging competitors could all impact Ethereum's growth trajectory. So, is Ethereum headed for a breakout or a breakdown? The truth? No one knows for sure. But one thing is certain. Ethereum is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a movement, a technology, a financial revolution in the making. Will it hit $10,000? Will it struggle to break $3,000? Whatever happens, Ethereum's journey is far from over. And it's going to be one wild ride. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a technological revolution in progress. But what happens next? The answer lies in its ability to evolve, scale, and maintain its dominance in an ever-changing digital landscape. With the shift to proof-of-stake now complete, Ethereum is gearing up for its next big leap. Shard chains. These will divide the network into smaller, faster parts, allowing Ethereum to process thousands, if not millions, of transactions per second. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation that could make Ethereum the undisputed leader of blockchain technology. And then, there's Web3, the decentralized future of the internet. Imagine a world where users, not corporations, control their data. A world where financial systems don't rely on banks, but on smart contracts. Ethereum is at the heart of this shift, powering DeFi, NFTs, and countless decentralized applications that could redefine how we interact online. But let's not ignore the challenges. Regulations are tightening, with governments worldwide scrambling to understand and control the crypto space. Meanwhile, security threats loom large, as hackers relentlessly target the digital asset industry. Can Ethereum navigate these obstacles and maintain its dominance? Ethereum's journey is far from over, it's only just beginning. What started as a visionary idea in a white paper has grown into a powerhouse reshaping finance, art, gaming, and the very fabric of the internet. But the real question remains, will Ethereum be the foundation of the future, or will something else take its place? One thing is certain, Ethereum is evolving, and those who pay attention now might just be witnessing the dawn of something far bigger than they ever imagined.